In this video, we'll show you how to clean your AirPods case effectively. Over time, dirt, dust, and grime can accumulate on your case, making it look dull and unhygienic. Cleaning it regularly not only keeps it looking new but also helps maintain its functionality. Let's dive into the steps to safely clean your AirPods case. To clean your AirPods case, you'll need a microfiber cloth, cotton swabs, isopropyl alcohol, 70% or higher, a soft bristled brush or toothbrush, and a toothpick or wooden skewer for detailed cleaning. Avoid using harsh chemicals, as they can damage the case's finish. Start by using a microfiber cloth slightly dampened with water or isopropyl alcohol to wipe down the exterior of the case. Gently remove smudges, fingerprints, and dirt. Be careful not to let liquid enter the charging port or hinge areas. For stubborn spots, apply a small amount of isopropyl alcohol to the cloth and rub gently. Open the case and inspect the interior for dirt and debris. Use a dry cotton swab to clean around the charging ports, paying close attention to any buildup. If necessary, dampen the cotton swab with a small amount of isopropyl alcohol to break down grease and grime. Avoid oversaturating the swab, as excess liquid can damage the electronics. For hard-to-reach areas like the hinges or small gaps, use a toothpick or wooden skewer. Gently scrape away any dirt or debris, being careful not to apply too much pressure that could scratch or damage the case. A soft bristled brush can also help loosen and remove dust from these areas. To clean the charging ports, use a dry, soft bristled brush to remove any lint or debris. Avoid using anything sharp that could damage the connectors. If necessary, use compressed air to blow out stubborn particles, but hold the can at a safe distance to avoid moisture buildup. After cleaning, use a clean microfiber cloth to dry and polish the case. This step helps to remove any remaining smudges and gives the case a clean, refreshed appearance. Ensure the case is completely dry before using it to avoid moisture damaging the electronics. To keep your AirPods case clean, wipe it down regularly with a microfiber cloth and avoid placing it in dirty or dusty environments. Consider using a protective case to shield it from scratches and grime. Regular cleaning will prevent dirt buildup and help maintain its original look. Cleaning your AirPods case is a simple process that helps maintain its appearance and functionality. By following these steps, you can keep your case looking like new and ensure your AirPods stay protected. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech maintenance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.